Hi, I am Lakshmi. Welcome to yet another podcast of Planet Finance. This time I have three wonder kids with me. Let's listen to them. Welcome to Wonder Kids of Planet Finance. So why don't you introduce yourselves?
Hi Lakshmi ma'am. My name is Sarithan. I am studying in 9th class, Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul International School.
Hi ma'am, I am Tejas Sachin Kumar from class 6C. I am studying in Jubilee Hills Public School, which is in Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
I am Badrinath. I am studying in 7th class in Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul International School.
Welcome again. If I understand correctly, probably you're the only kids to clear 10 NISM exams of SEBI. Am I right?
First of all, thanks Lakshmi ma'am for calling all of us to this podcast. Yes, we definitely feel that wonders happen in Planet Finance with us, with the mentor CA Praveen Kumar, Chairman of Planet Finance. We have cleared 10 NISM modules of SEBI so far.
Now the second question to Tejas. Could you please elaborate on this particular achievement, the exams you have cleared?
Yes, ma'am. We started our journey from basics, cleared mutual funds 5A, mutual funds 5B, and then started with other modules. And I have cleared 10 modules so far. I am the youngest in the country and All India Book of Records holder 2023. I passed my first module when I was at the age of 80 years old. And truly thankful to Planet Finance for encouraging us and making this possible.
How did you do this magic? Is there any secret library or a share market in your basement?
Nothing like that. Just we have to be disciplined and always be systematic, and we have to follow proper schedules. We have to take good sleep at night. We have to study a lot of time.
My question to Badri. While preparing for these kind of tough exams, how did you manage the schooling? Because you might be having a lot of homework, right?
We initially started preparing it over the weekends, and when we got a solid understanding about the subject, we started preparing it after the school hours and in school holidays. In this way, we are able to pass NISM exams along with school studies.
That's wonderful. My question to you is, what areas of knowledge you gain while you clear these NISM exams? Did you clear 10 exams?
Yes. We gain the knowledge on equity markets, derivatives, currency markets, ratio analysis, merchant banking activities, hedging, commodity markets, operations of mutual funds, and finally risk management in financial markets.
This is so insightful. If I have to ask each one of you, what are your future goals? Let's start with Lalit.
My future goal is to become a CA and investment banker.
Wish you all the very best. Tejas.
I would prefer to complete my professional studies CA at an early age and start my career as an investment banker.
Wish you all the luck.
Ma'am, I want to become a finance professional.
That's wonderful. Wish you all the luck for your future endeavors. I wish you all the success in upcoming exams. Do well and keep inspiring others. Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you, to all three wonder kids of Planet Finance. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Planet Finance Business School. Admissions open for Advanced BBA, Advanced BCom and PGDM. Approved by AICTE. Affiliated to Osmania University. Located at High-Tech City, Hyderabad. Limited seats. Register now. For more details, contact 900 00 11 620.